Bitcoin surged to a record high yet again, above $106,000 in early Asian trade on Monday, extending gains made since Republican Donald Trump, who has promised to champion cryptocurrencies, was elected US president in November. The price rose in the new reports over the weekend that Trump would go ahead with a Bitcoin Strategic Reserve Fund. When asked if he plans to build a crypto reserve similar to oil reserves, Trump had said, "Yes, I think so." Now, other countries have also been considering cryptocurrency strategic reserves. Russia's President Vladimir Putin said earlier this month, while he was questioned and has questioned the need to hold state reserves in foreign currencies, saying that domestic investment of such reserves was more attractive. The United Kingdom has become the 12th member of the Comprehensive and Progressive Agreement for Trans-Pacific Partnership, or the CPTPP. The previous British government signed the Accession Treaty last year, with more members of the bloc having since ratified the UK's entry. Officials hope membership could boost Britain's struggling economy by as much as $2.5 billion American dollars per year. The country is trying to strike new trade deals abroad in the aftermath of leaving the European Union following its 2016 referendum on Brexit, with EU member states still accounting for over 40% of UK exports and more than 50% of imports from the UK. Official data shows that China's new home prices have fallen at the slowest pace in 17 months, as the government scaled up stimulus measures to lift the crisis-hit property sector. According to reports based on National Bureau of Statistics data, new home prices were down 0.1% month-on-month, after a 0.5% dip in October, the slowest pace since June last year. In annual terms, new home prices fell 5.7% after a 5.9% drop the previous month. Australia's corporate regulator has initiated legal action against the local affiliate of global bank HSBC, claiming it failed to correctly respond about 950 reports of customers losing close to $1 million or more. Now, the Australian Securities and Investments Commission is alleging HSBC took, on an average, 145 days to look into matters related to unauthorized payments and transactions. Asian stock markets were in a wary mood on Monday as surging bond yields challenged equity valuations, particularly for the rich-priced tech sector, in a week packed with central bank meetings and major economic data. Figures from China out on Monday reveal retail sales have risen just 3% in November compared to a year earlier. This was well below the market forecast of 4.6%. and evidence of the need for much more aggressive stimulus. Industrial production was much as expected, while house prices were still falling, though at a slower pace.